This is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the company Carborundum Universal Limited. This company manufactures coated abrasives and bounded abrasives in India. In addition to it, it also manufactures super refrigerators and electrominerals. This company this company is virtually debt-free company, and this company has high health interest coverage ratio, and the company has healthy liquidity and cash flows, and the company's promoter holds more than 42% in this share, and the pledged shares is almost negligible. So this company can be taken for the swing trade purposes and for investment purposes also. Before investing in this stock, just take note of all the PE and all the financial ratios to be considered, and consider investment based on the research you are making based on the research of the balance sheet and the financial ratios of the stock. Now let's move to the technical analysis. In technical chart, the stock is currently in uptrend, and the stock is flying like anything. Now let's analyze the chart on monthly chart. In this monthly chart, the stock is currently traded above the major resistance level. The resistance even hit at the March low, and the stock is currently in steep uptrend. So we can trade and take trades in long position only. I have drawn a trend line, and let's move to the weekly chart to analyze the strength of the trend line drawn. This is the same trend line which I drawn in the monthly chart. The stock completely respects the trend line, so this stock is good for taking trades, and the double bottom is also formed here, and the double bottom target is also got hit. So now the stock may move higher or lower to make some different patterns. Now the stock currently in just above the major support line, resistance line. Now the stock is currently traded just above the resistance line. Now let's move through the daily chart to analyze the trend in detail. The stock currently is trading above the resistance line, and the stock after a breakout it took a retracement, and the stock is quite bullish because the green candles and the volume confirms that the stock is currently in bull run, and the consultation is also very clean and neat, and the price actions is also very good. So we can enter the stock once it moves above 600 level, and one can take the target using the fib extension level. By using fib extension we can take the entry above 600 level, and the first target can be placed at 788 level. The target is just 30% upside from the entry price, so one can consider this for swing trade purposes, and investment purposes can be taken only after understanding the balance sheet of the company and also analyzing the various ratios before investing. The stock can be go up from the current price, so take swing trade entry at 600 and above levels and place target at 780 levels. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button and hit subscribe button to get the instant notifications of the video. once it published, and feel free to comment below your questions and queries, and thank you for watching our videos.